Hello, my name is Daniel Becker. Today, I'd like to show you how to handle print quality problems in your PrintoLUX printing system caused by a lack of ink. If you have ever had the problem that all or individual colors do not print, this is usually due to one of the following causes. Either one or more cartridges have run empty. There is air in the capillary system of the printhead. The printhead nozzles are either clogged or dried out. Or the cleaning station is defective and doesn't clean properly. Before we begin troubleshooting, you should check the following prerequisites. Are all cartridges filled with ink and their transport plugs removed? Attention! If you have a gloss optimizer cartridge in your printing system, please make sure that its transport plug is always inserted. Print a nozzle test now. This will help you check the progress later. After you have prepared everything for the next steps, feel free to skip ahead to the appropriate section of the service video. If the ink level displayed in the print driver does not match the actual ink level in the cartridge, it could run out of ink completely, unless the cartridge is refilled on a regular basis. Should that happen, the printhead eventually takes in air, causing color breaks in the printhead. Incidentally, this can also affect the other filled cartridges. Therefore, it is important to always refill all cartridges. In the upper left corner of the cartridge, there is a small ink reservoir, from which the ink is fed directly into the printhead. That means even if the cartridge is filled with ink, several printhead cleanings are needed until the ink arrives in this reservoir. You can, however, speed this up by extracting the air with a disposable syringe. To do this, place the syringe on the ventilation hole and suck out the air. By quickly removing the syringe, the ink shoots into the reservoir. You can repeat this step several times. The chamber should be about half full with ink before proceeding. Empty or leaking cartridges can cause the printhead to draw air that spreads through the capillary system of the printhead and can affect the print quality of all colors. Once you have refilled the cartridges, 1 or 2 cleaning cycles using the print driver should be enough to get the air out of the printhead. If only individual colors do not print, you can use the following trick to free up these nozzles. Insert the transport plugs into the cartridges that printed without any errors during the nozzle test, and leave open those that did not print. Thus, on one hand, an increased pressure is created on the open cartridges and, on the other hand, any unnecessary ink on functioning nozzles is disposed of. Print a nozzle test after each cleaning cycle. While doing this, the transport plugs can simply remain on the functioning cartridges. A decrease in the print quality of the cartridges sealed with transport plugs may occur. However, that need not worry you. Once you have cleared the clogged printhead nozzles, you can remove the transport plugs and perform a final printhead cleaning. The subsequent nozzle test should now be without any errors. However, if you do not notice any improvement after 3 cleaning cycles, please contact us. Our service staff has the possibility to perform an intensive cleaning via remote maintenance. If your printing system is rarely used in general, or you cannot predict whether it will be needed in the next few weeks, I would recommend our storage set. By simply replacing the ink cartridges with the sealing cartridges, your printing system is protected from dried ink damage for several months. Contact us directly for more information. If your printing system is in use several times a week and the last maintenance was over a year ago, it is recommended to let our service carry out the maintenance, during which important worn-out parts are replaced and the printing system is thoroughly cleaned. Among others, one component that is exchanged is the cleaning station. Over time, the cleaning station can accumulate old ink, and the cleaning effect can thus be significantly reduced. To protect the cleaning station from dried-up ink accumulating, you can occasionally cleanse the stating with a light rubbing alcohol or a simple glass cleaner. To do this, first press the button with the drop icon and then unplug the printer from the mains. You can now move the printhead to the left and have a look at the cleaning station. dribble a little rubbing alcohol on the black foam pads and let it work for about 10 minutes. You can then clean all around the cleaning station with a cotton swab and remove any dried ink residue. Reconnect the printing station to the mains and switch it on. Any leftover cleaning fluid is pumped out of the cleaning station when the printer is initialized and do not need to be removed. Please understand this procedure as only part of the quality assurance and servicing of your printing system. It, of course, does not replace regular maintenance. Once you have checked and carried out the aforementioned points and been able to print a satisfactory nozzle test, you should check all cartridges for the optimum fill levels before proceeding with the print job. It is also advisable to print a test page in order to check that the print quality matches the desired result. Your PrintoLUX printing system should now be ready for use again and print in the familiar quality. I'm glad if you found this video helpful, and thank you for your attention. Should you have further questions on this topic, either contact us directly or use the comment function of this channel. Thank you, and see you next time.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.